Hey there guys, Dezrin here, and here's a video all about the thing that was about me. So, I built a new PC. As you can see, there's the old one, that's the Destroyer V1, and here's V2. So, it's been all built and put together, it all works, however, we're missing the graphics card at the minute, that's not come yet, and the operating system, unfortunately, because I need to buy a disc. I thought it'd run off the old hard drive, but it doesn't want to. Bit of a pain. So everything's working on the PC. I've got my stickers on there, you know. Gotta have your stickers. And if I bring you over, we can see the BIOS here. And as you can see, Intel Core i5-3570K, so it's recognised as CPU. We've got our internal memory, which is obviously our RAM, DDR3 1333. That should be 1600. I'm not sure what's up with that. I'll have a look at it. I'll have a look at it. It should be fine though. 1333 is perfectly fine for me. It might only support that speed. So yeah, and the good thing about this one is it's so quiet. In the other videos where I did vlogs, you could even hear the old PC then. However, this one, I can just about hear it. I don't know whether the camera will pick it up or not. But yeah, I'm done. So I've built my new PC. All I'm waiting for is the odd little bit and piece, and then, yeah, time for some gaming, methinks. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. This has been Dezrin, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!